We are gathered here this morning to share a vision of the heart, quite literally, a night vigil of preparation to the Sacred Heart of Jesus, to the Immaculate Heart of Mary. It is called Hearts of Hope, Devacha, Mogachi and Zagra. This vigil will take place on the night of Friday, 6 June, across 15 deaneries of the Archdiocese of Goa and Daman, uniting our parishes in prayer. Lay faithful from every deanery will come together, spiritually guided by their priests, to respond to Our Lady's message at Fatima, to pray, to make sacrifices, and to offer acts of preparation. आमी एकठांय जातल्यो मागणें करून आमचे त्याग भेटोवंक आनी आमच्या फारीकपणाक. This initiative of the World Apostolate of Fatima Goa Unit is a living example of our late Holy Father's call to build a synodal church where laity and clergy work, walk and pray together. The vigil will start at 8:45 p.m. with all-night adoration, Holy Mass, rosaries, preparation, and ends with the first Saturday devotion in the morning. We are deeply encouraged by the support of our church leaders. His Lordship Auxiliary Bishop Simeon Purificação Fernandes will be here in this Caranzalan church to celebrate Mass and be there for some time. आमचो आदारी बिस्म श्रेष्ठ सिमियोन Purificação Fernandes हे आमचे इगोर्जीन Caranzalanचे तो 20 समोरपतलो 6 तारखेर रातच्या 9:30 वाजता. आनी तशेंच Reverend Dr. Henry Falcao, Episcopal Vicar for Central Goa, a central zone, will lead a vigil at St. Anne Church, Ponda. तो Ajit Ponda दाखयतलो आनी 20 समोरपतलो 7 आनांची इगोर्जीन Ponda. आनी Reverend Father Dr. Joaquim Fernandes, SVD or एक religious Episcopal Vicar, Old Goa, Miss Somorapolo and आपले Ajit Pond दाखयतलो. Archbishop Cardinal Ferrao, though he is not here, is away, has sent his blessings and prayerful support. जो जरी तो आमचे मदें ना Cardinal Ferrao, पण ताणें आपली बेसांव आनी आपलो आशीर्वाद पाठयला. The theme for this is Delexit Nos, He Loved Us. आमच्या संपलेल्या पाप साहेबाचो दाखलो, call to reignite devotion to the Sacred Heart. जेजूच्या काळजाची भक्ती वाडोवंक. Love compels us to act. मोग आमकां जायते भाशेन तार दिना आमी कितें भाशेन बरेपण वांटूंक. An action in prayer आनी मागण्यांतल्यान आमचें समर्पण करप. We ask you, the media, to help us reach every home with this message. Same prayers, same team, and same time, one heart across Goa. सगळे 15 दिनारीन 30 मागणी तेच वेळार आनी एक काळीज कशी आमी एकठांय जातल्या. Let this night be of hope, of healing and reparation. ही रात ही जागरण जावन दी वरपाशाची, पेकोणेची आनी आमच्या फारीकपणाची. सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरें करूं. थँक यू वेरी मच.
Good morning. As chairman of the World Apostolate of Fatima Goa, I am here not just representing our apostolate, but witnessing a moment of grace in our archdiocese. While this all-night vigil is an initiative of the World Apostolate of Fatima Goa, it has become much more than that. What we are witnessing in the church coming together in true synodal spirit, answering the Vatican's and our Archbishop's call to walk together as one people of God. We are grateful and humbled by how the clergy across Goa, from our Archbishop, his auxiliary, vicars, deans, to parish priests and their assistants, have embraced this initiative. They are working hand in hand with the Parish Pastoral Council moderators, Parish Council members, and small Christian communities, ensuring that this night vigil of reparation is not only well coordinated, but deeply prayerful and participative. Meetings are being held across various villages, prayer leaders are being trained, intercessions are being prepared, and logistics are being arranged. Not by any one group alone, but by the whole church body moving as one. We are praying that on the night of Friday, 6th June, the faithful will fill the churches across the 15 participating deaneries, keeping vigil from the heart of Jesus to the heart of Mary, praying through the night for peace in our hearts, our homes, India, and the world. The vision is simple and powerful. Same prayers, same time, one heart across God. This is a Jubilee year of hope, and we believe that hope is not an abstract idea. It is lived through faith and action. In offering this vigil, we are offering hope. In reparation, we are seeking healing. In prayer, we are uniting as one church. We thank our church leaders, our Archbishop, Auxiliary Bishop, Episcopal Vicars, Deans, and Parish Priests for their trust and support. To the media, we ask, help us echo this call. This is not just a World Apostolate of Fatima Goa event. It is a moment of hearts, hearts of hope from Goa for the world. Thank you. We'll now read the list of locations where our 15 vigils will be happening.
Good morning, everyone. The vigil for the 2025 post parishes are as follows. Central Zone, Old Goa Deanery, St. Catherine of Alexandria Church, Old Goa. Panjim Deanery, Our Lady of the Rosary Church, Karanzale. Konda Deanery, St. Anne Church, Konda. The North Zone are as follows. Aldona Deanery, Our Lady of Immaculate Conception Church, Moira. Bicholi Deanery, Our Lady of Grace Church, Bicholi. Kalangut Deanery, St. John the Baptist Church, Pilan. Mapsa Deanery, St. Francis of Assisi Church, Pulwale. Pernem Deanery, Our Lady of Mount Carmel, Arambol. Shuli Deanery, Our Lady of the Consolation of the Persecuted Church, Propa. The South Zone are as follows. Benauli Deanery, Holy Trinity Church, Benauli. Kankona Deanery, St. Teresa of Jesus Church, Kankona. Chinchini Deanery, Our Lady Queen of Martyrs Church, Asolna. Margaon Deanery, Our Lady of Grace Church, Margaon, Grace. Kepe Deanery, Immaculate Conception Church, Paroda. Raya Deanery, Our Lady of Snows Church, Raya. Thank you.
फादर तुम्ही म्हणले 15 जाग्याचेर जातले पूण हे पयलेच फावटी जाता ह्या पयलीं आनी केन्ना तुमी
आमची वर्ल्ड एपोस्टोलेट ऑफ फातिमा गोवा युनिट आसा गेल्ले वर्साक थोडे फुर्गजांनी थोड्या डिनरी जाल्ले पूण हे फावटी आनीक सुबेज डिनरीनी म्हणटा म्हळ्यार 18 डिनरीन आमी करूंक वावरूंक सोदी जायती हें आसता न्हू जायती फावटी ती तयारी करूंक बिकॉज एटलिस्ट 15 डिनरीनी जातले एक बरी वस्त आनी चडशे हांवें जशें म्हणलां मागणे आनीक आमचे फारीकवाड बेको आनी जशें आमचे भाव इज कन्विनर ताणें म्हणला ते भाशेन संवसाराचे आनी मनशा कुळाचे शांती खातीरूय भेटयता
गेल्या वर्सा तेन्ना तुमी केलेले पळय तेन्ना कितल्या लोकांनी भाग घेतलेलो
सुमार आमी 200 तरी मागीर लोक पळय.
Solna church was full.
Yeah.
Our Solna church started at 8:45 till 5 in the morning. I had gone there at 8:30. Packed church. आखे रात भर full. Video आता आम्ही circulate करतो on Facebook. Is living evidence. 4 पासून लोक म्हणजे बाहेर. Full church packed. हांगाय म्हणजे 200 लोक वयर जाले. आणि we had done in 3 zones. South zone was in Asolna church. North zone, central zone was in Karanzale Panjim. And north zone आम्ही गेले आसा कुंचेली केलेले. थिंगाय म्हणजे people came forward. आखे रात भर बसोन. Even we were amazed. Everybody was amazed that लोक पण इतले भायर येयले आणि फुल जाले.
तर ह्या वर्सा तुमचं म्हणजे कितलं लोकांचं एक्सपेक्टेशन आहा तुमकां?
God and people. But I'm sure the churches will be full.
आणि सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशन्स ಬಗ್ಗೆ घेता तुम्ही केन्ना थोड टायम लागता न्हू तो
कितें?
सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशन्स
Regarding the
Health
medical,
issues
some of the
but-
health issues.
There is, we have taken
Yes.
concern, we have considered
We
that.
have nurses,
Yeah.
आमच्या हितून गुरुबाग nurses आसतात. दुसरे
Doctors give.
डॉक्टर्स बीड वचून जबाबदारी तांकां एक एकल्याक दिल्ली आसा.
तो जेन्ना तुमी म्हणलें पळय एक मागणें जातलें,
हय.
एक थिमाचेर मागणें जातलें, तर हें मागणें तुमी आतां सद्याक म्हणजे रिहर्सल बा कितें करता हे सगळे हितून 15
बरे भाशेन धाडला आमचे कन्व्हिनर.
हं.
He is the convener of the spiritual director, but overall जबाबदारी आमचो the convener and the team, they are all team members. आणि आमचे दोग जाणां हे फिरगोचेचे दोग हे टीम मेंबर्स आहा. तेमी बरे भाशेन सारकें मांडला केन्ना कितें जातलें गोंयांत जातलें. इट्स लायक एक नुस्तें दिसता ते भाशेन करपाचें पूण टायम करता ते भाशेन इट इज
तुजो तो प्रोग्राम सेट केला
सेट केलो.
हय.
Therefore, it will not exit also. सारकें ते बेडा जातलें.
The unique thing about what we are encouraging is that we are not leading the prayers. Prayers are led by each parish, each moderator, each person individually. We have just provided the guideline and the prayers, but led by everybody individually. So as I said in my statement, is there not any one group? So like you go for places, maybe there is a retreat, it is led by one group. Here it is people of each parish represented, like Anga Panjim Dinari, Santa Cruzche lok yetle, Mirseche lok yetle. They will be leading the prayers, not Karanzale only. Karanzale is the host.
डिनरीचे आहा पळय ते
And so that means every parish in Panjim Dinari will be represented, and this into all the dinaries, which in this case is 15 dinaries, so which will be across Goa. So this is truly that prayers are only by us, guidelines us. The theme we have focused on is for peace. See, today the world needs peace. That is the message of Fatima. Fatima message is peace. So peace, everybody has problems. We all have difficulties. So peace first in our own hearts, then in our homes, then in Goa, then in India, and then the world. There is no peace anywhere, and this is the message of Fatima that we as World Apostle of Fatima are promoting and following the theme of his late Holy Father Pope Francis, where his last encyclical, his last letter to the world was reignite devotion to the Sacred Heart of Jesus. And what we are doing is through the Immaculate Heart of Mary to the Sacred Heart of Jesus. This is the theme of the vigil, is to Jesus through Mary.
तर आता तुम्ही आता 15 लोकेशनां सांगली, तर 15 डिनरीचे पळय आहा ते तुम्ही एकठांय एक पावटी मेवल्या तरी तेज्या
We have visited all. It has started with the deans. So the channel was first with the auxiliary bishop, then with the deans, and dean meeting on, because it's a deanery event. So first the dean is required. So dean meeting, all the deans have been met. All the deans have been supportive. Certain deaneries, because of whatever reasons, difficulties are, but all the deans have been met. And the deans then in their parish meetings, so त्यांच्या मागीर parish एक सांगला. So that's why I said truly synodal. म्हणजे it started with the clergy. पहिले कार्डिनलाक मेळ्ळो, तो ताका मेळोन then the deans have then in their parish meetings parish priestak सांगले, पादिकाराक सांगले, पादिकार मागीर moderatorक सांगले. So it is everybody is working together. It normally कितें आमी रिट्रीटाक एक लोकांक स्पीकर आसतना ते फादर sermon दिता. It is not like that. Everybody is working together. Priests are working on side by side with the lay people. Lay people are leading it from 8:45 till 5:15 in the morning is led by lay. Priests are there making sure that आमी कितें करता ते सारकें करता, but their spiritual guidance is required. And the mass obviously. So spiritual guidance is required, but this is what the concept and the uniqueness is. It is led by each parish separately, with side by side with the clergy, with the priest.
सो ते जेन्ना पळय तुमी ते 8:45 स्टार्ट करता म्हणल्यार मागीर सकाळी पासून तुमी ते चालू जाता म्हणलें.
हय.
तर ह्या दरम्यान कित्याक लागून हो रातचो टायम आसता.
हय.
तर सेक्युरिटी एस्पेक्ट आसता तो तुमी गोवा पुलिसाक बा कितें तरी
So
घुमयला
each vigil location has been told to inform their local police authority. आमचे एक टाइमलाइन केलेले आहा. सो आमी फ्रॉम जानेवारी आमची खूब ऑर्गनायझेशनां आहात. आमचे पेजी टाइमलाइन, instructions, details, guidance. So because it's across many locations, so we have given guidelines to each place and each location that to inform the local authority. Mostly एक parish त्यांचे moderator they have their normal त्यांचे vigil असता. So everybody knows what needs to be done. But आम्ही guideline दिले for water, for snacks, for security, for as you brought up the thing for safety. So all these things have been given to them as guidelines.
गोवा युनिटान तुमी आनी कितें अदर एक्टिविटीज घडोवन हाडटा?
Sorry.
गोवा युनिटान तुमी आनी कितें अदर एक्टिविटीज घडोवन हाडटा?
So आमचे World Apostle Fatima is 70 years in Goa, and आमचे focus is on the first Saturday devotion as asked by Our Lady at Fatima. So in this pastoral year we have the vigil which we had done last year also, but this year it's in many more, and with the grace of God it will be more bigger the next year. We have in the month of October, during the Jubilee year, the Jubilee days for Marian spirituality, is we have 36-hour rosary for life. That also is for peace and for life. Life, again, we are pro-life, and that is our 36-hour rosary, again across all our parish units. So that is also our next thing which we will be doing on 8th, 9th and 10th of October, is all our parish units, and then again combining all the parishes who are willing to support 36 hours praying rosary, 12 hours, 3 days, praying for peace, praying for life.